Hello and thank you for watching my video. My name is Astrid Krasniqi. I am Cisco CCNA, CCNP and Palo Alto certified instructor. In this video we are covering PCNSA 210 and this is our chapter 8, WildFire Virus Analysis. Now this is the third video of chapter 8, which is 8.3 WildFire Reporting. Now WildFire Reporting, so every time we send any files or URL to be analyzed by a WildFire cloud, the WildFire technology will analyze that and it will report the finding to the firewall. And we can also configure both the types of information that we send to the WildFire and how much or amount of the information is returned back to our firewall. And then information reported back to the firewall will be located under the logs and WildFire submissions. So, and if you want to see if it's actually reported correctly, we will use the command debug WildFire. So the command is up there, just highlighted debug WildFire upload log show, and then it will show you whether you have submitted correctly a file to be analyzed. And then we see it back under the monitor log WildFire submission. So we have logs and WildFire submissions, and then we should see them. If we want to find more information, for example, if we want to see a detailed information about that report, we'll click on this magnifying glass and that will open in more detail, as well as we can see the verdict in there. So we can see the verdict, for example, is being as a malware. We can download the sample file. This is, it will still, if it's a malware, you're going to be downloading a malware. So be careful what you're downloading there. But you can see that this file has been a portable executable file that has been verdict has got as a malware. You can also download a PDF version of the report. For example, say that you think, okay, well, that report or that verdict is wrong, and then you want to go and change it. You can suggest a new verdict. So you just open that same where you were before. It just scrolls down at the end, towards the end here. You will scroll down and you will see report incorrect verdict. And you can suggest a verdict, for example, grayware or benign. WildFire portal for results of the detailed analysis of the submitted files are available through WildFire portal. To access the WildFire portal, we can go to https wildfire.paloaltonetworks.com. To display the entire list of submitted files, click the report button at the top of the WildFire portal. To display the analysis report for the individual file, click the detailed icon to the left of the file name. Thank you for watching lesson 8.3 WildFire reporting of chapter 8 WildFire. Please have a look at my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. This has been Astrid Krasniqi. Bye bye.